immersive experience in our Advanced Facilitation Skills Workshop, designed for facilitators looking to elevate their practice by integrating the latest in brain science and artificial intelligence. This workshop isn't just about theory. It's about actionable insights that will transform the way you engage learners. We'll investigate cutting-edge neuroscience, uncovering how the brain processes information and how you can enhance retention and engagement with practical techniques. We'll also explore the role of AI in education, offering examples of the latest tools and strategies to personalize learning, automate assessments, and gather real-time feedback to create a dynamic learning environment. Whether you're looking to keep participants focused, improve feedback strategies, or simply stay at the forefront of facilitation trends, this workshop is your key to success. Learn how to utilize dopamine-triggering techniques, incorporate varied stimuli, and embrace AI technologies that can enhance your facilitation methods and effectiveness. By the end of this workshop, you'll walk away with powerful tools to captivate your audience and improve learning outcomes. Don't miss the opportunity to redefine your approach to facilitation. Register today and stay ahead in this fast-evolving field.